Hey everyone, I'm Melky. I'm a product manager at Advantech, and I'll be going over more of our digital signage products. So the DS product line is for our digital signage appliances and also modules for digital signage applications, no matter the application, right? So we have we have Intel-based solutions, AMD-based solutions, as well as Qualcomm-based digital signage solutions. We have appliances in many different form factors, whether it be SDM modules or a rugged appliance. We also have appliances for those more wide temperature and more rugged applications as well. Just to go over each different product, we have low power solutions with the Intel Twin Lake processor, around 6-watt TDP. We have more high performance video signage players that support up to 4 HDMI outputs. And we also have an SDM module to support SDM displays. And this is simply a video signage player that can be integrated directly into the display. That summarizes just a short preview of our digital signage products. You could find more info about these at advantech.com.